Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the Honor 5. This is one of the best Honors from the Huawei, so let's go ahead and see what we got. We know that the Honor 5 supports Android 4.4 and above, also iOS 9.0 and above. It's water resistant up to 50 meters and it has a 0.95 inch AMOLED colorful touchscreen. And the software also is filled with plenty of stuff like blood pressure, blood oxygen, heart rate, different types of sports, notification, alarm, sleep monitoring, etc. We are going to go through them one by one and when we unbox it. So let's go ahead and see what we got. As you can see, we have the name Honor 5 here, the picture. In the back we have some information on what we would find in the Honor 5. As you can see, we have some of the pictures, but it's all in Chinese, so it's hard to read it. As you can see the package, we have here now the watch itself, we have the charger, the head of the charger and the cable as well. You can see it comes in separate pieces. We have here the watch itself wrapped up for protection. Also we have two user manuals, one in Chinese, this is in Chinese, and the other is in English. So you can see here in the user manual we can find all kinds of stuff that we need to know, like QR codes and how to charge it, how to power it on, all kinds of stuff we will find in the user manual. So it sometimes is very useful. So we know that 0.95 inch AMOLED colorful touchscreen display is enough for this smartwatch. Not so big, but we don't have too much options either. So it's enough and very colorful from the Huawei. As I said, we have a bright screen. You can see the bands are very flexible, very comfortable to wear. In the back we have, like usual, the sensor. In the first page we have time, date, steps, burn calories and distance. As you can see right here, very clearly to see. We have steps, heart rate, blood oxygen. Next we have sleep, workout, Alipay, more, messages, and that's basically it, what we have here in the software or menu of the Honor 5. So we have quite a few options to try and use in the Honor 5. Some of them, like Alipay, is used only in China, and now we can test it, see how it will work, and in the end we will find if it's worth to buy it or not. So let's go ahead, wear it and try like the heart rate and the blood oxygen and sports. First we're going to go with heart rate, which is the first option that we can try in the menu. You can see it's measuring and it says please stay still. We have just a few seconds before the results come up, so you can see how fast it is. And be aware, don't do it like me. As you can see, I'm moving my hand too much and that's causing troubles. Wear it tight. You can see it failed on me. Wear it tight, one finger between your wrist and your watch. Also don't move your hand. Let's try it again. You can see it's measuring. And it failed again. I'm moving again my hand too much. As you can see, I put my elbow to the table and my hand is still. Now let's hope we get some result. And as you can see, when I put my hand in the table, I got results. So stay still while you're doing the blood oxygen test. Let's go now to the training or workout. Let's see, we have outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor walk, outdoor cycling, indoor cycle, cross training, power, indoor swimming, and free training as well. Press play. One finger method again, but we already have one finger in between them. let's wait 3-second countdown, and it starts immediately. You can see our heart rate is first, kilometers, seconds, and kilometer per hour, kilometer per foot, and burn calories. In the top we have time. So this is it. You hold it, you can pause and play it again, or you can hold it and finish the session. So this is all that we have for today. Thank you very much for your time and support, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another unboxing or how to connect of a smartwatch.